Be a man.
Stop crying.
Pussy, bitch.
Don't be so emotional.
Be cool.
Man up. What's wrong with you?
Don't take no for an answer.
Quit whining.
Grow some fucking balls, pansy. Don't let them push you around. Be a man.
Don't you know? We boys be armor-clad legends.
We learn quick that we 6 bullets, 6 sparks,
6 hollow points.
We 666 beasts. Hell on earth, granite high, diamond spine.
We lion pride.
wolves run with their packs.
So we keep hemorrhaging heartbeats cauterized.
Even in the presence of blood oath brothers, we wouldn't want to share our wounds with those we've gone to battle with. Don't walk with the hunters if you smell like prey. Keep that shit contained.
Pain is only something that weighs you down.
Bear trap,
Ball and chain, shackles.
shame.
We
We
gnaw
gnaw off our feet to escape.
So we never have to ask for help. Even in the Valley of the Shadow, I didn't want to disgrace my grandfather's death with weak-willed distress.
So when I spoke at the funeral, I let my voice tremble but not crack.
The only way to be immortal
Is to remain inhuman, so no tears.
Don't compromise the legacy of skyscrapers by rusting their skeletons.
Weakness be not in our blood's vocabulary.
If we bleed, it's only to show the iron in it. You can't stop soldiers like us.
We boys are born, battlefield unbreakable.
When my bone splits into liability, I straighten that shit up. Bury my pain with enemy's casket till my screams, my wail,
Become wind in warship sail.
It's harder to know when to stop that way. Mercy is an afterthought that way.
Truth maintains the high ground that way. We be legends.
Long before we ever learned to stand. So I never let innocence fracture my foundations.
I wouldn't want to look like some sort of pussy.
An experience with girls looks a lot like you're not even interested anyway.
So I laid the bricks of my manhood in between sheets.
Carved my initials into bedrock.
My virginity would never mature to the point of embarrassment.
I don't need to understand a woman to know her shape.
We take what we want before we know what it will bring us.
We boys spin the world on our shoulder blades.
For us, there be no room for splintered spines, so we stitch stone into our skin and climb into glory.
Because even when our wax wings melt, falling is no excuse for not touching the sun.
We boys be stubborn structures in a tectonic reality. Always at war with the world full of moving pieces, so we boys
Cut, bleed, steal, brawl, stand tall, build walls.
knowing that they'll crack.
We keep our pride thick like brick and mortar, knowing that it won't last.
Our stone don't chip. Even when the world leaves fault lines in our skin, we don't shift.
Even when our chests beg to crumble.
We stay stiff.
But we were born to be matters more than who we are.
Don't be such a little girl.
Even when holding the sky just drives us into the ground,
Stop crying. Crying's just a waste of water. Water only makes us rust. Boys, man up. Grow some balls.
We are kings.
We fight till there are no more thrones to sit in. Till every crown fits our head.
even if the kingdom lies in ruin.
And there are no more wars.